So what can we do as a passenger or pilot to stay safe from turbulence? Well, first, as a pilot, it's important to remember that turbulence is just a symptom of a larger weather phenomenon like a thunderstorm. You can make sure that you do your pre-flight planning and avoid these problem areas before you start a flight. As a passenger, it's important to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. The most common way to be injured as a passenger is simply by bumping your head. Turbulence is often something that scares air passengers the most, so you don't need to be afraid of it. My name is Andrew Freely, and from everyone here at ADF Flight School, I want to thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.